Our brain continues to grow about 700 new neurons every single day if we take care of our lifestyle. Now, this process is called neurogenesis, and it is very crucial to maintain our mental agility and memory as we age. A neuroscientist named Sandrine Thurret explains that up till the age of 4, we are growing tons of new neurons in all parts of our brain. But as we get older, this growth of new neurons is limited to one part of your brain, which is the hippocampus. And this part is responsible for our learning and memory. And so here are 4 ways you can keep those new neurons coming. When you fast, you put a little bit of stress on your brain, and this amount of stress causes the growth of new neurons in your brain. This could be because in the early times when we were hungry and we didn't have food around us, our brain would grow new neurons to help us search for food more efficiently. Now, this doesn't mean that you starve yourself to the point where you cannot tolerate it, but if you just decrease your calories by 10%, 2 days a week, this will not be noticeable enough to trigger a binge, and it will get you the neural benefits of fasting. Flavonoids are compounds found in plants, vegetables, and many fruits that have an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effect on the brain. These help the growth of new neurons in your brain, as well as protect the ones that are already there, improving your brain's performance. Now, foods that are high in flavonoids are berries, kale, onions, oranges, and dark chocolate. Exercise stimulates and produces a protein in our brain called FNDC5. And over time, this specific protein causes the production of another protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is BDNF. And this specific protein causes the growth of new synapses and neurons in our brain. So when you do endurance exercises that raise your heart rate and cause you to sweat, you are making your brain stronger, and your ability to focus on any given task is also getting better. Now, if you're new here on this channel, then I am Emma Alam, the World Memory Champion, World Speed Reading Champion, World Mind Mapping Champion in the junior category, as well as holder of 2 Guinness World Records. And here on YouTube, I share quick and effective tips on memory, speed reading, learning, and much more. And so if you found this video useful so far, then don't forget to click the like and subscribe button for more tips. When you increase your weight on the squat rack, your body is experiencing a new weight. Your muscles are experiencing a new load. And because of this, your muscles are teared down and then they rebuild in a new, stronger way, only because you challenge them in a way that you've never done before. And this causes new muscles and new growth to happen. Now, very similarly, when you challenge your neural pathways or your brain to do something new, such as learning a new skill, learning an instrument or a new language, or even giving a speech to an audience you haven't before, this challenges the neural pathways and allows them to rebuild in new ways, pushing the growth of new neurons in your brain and making your brain stronger. If you want to learn 10 tricks to improve your memory, then you can watch this video right here in which I share 10 effective, proven memory techniques that will help you memorize anything and be able to retain it with much more ease. And until next week, be happy and be joyful.